Hey World of EUC, my name's Tom Dodds and I'm the Global Strategic Alliances Manager for Tendig Technology. Firstly, we're extremely proud to be a founding partner of World of EUC and looking ahead to next month, a gold sponsor for World of EUC Amplify, which makes us a founding gold sponsor. I didn't personally attend World of EUC Independence last year. However, we have a full debrief after every event that we do, and my colleagues Carl and Ed that did go waxed lyrical about the standard of the speakers and the content that was provided to the delegates. What they also loved, apart from the venue, which was great, was the access they had to have these conversations with people about what they're seeing in EUC, what their perception is of what's happening in EUC, the issues that they're facing, how they're solving them, and being able to also seek out solutions that help to solve these problems. I'm personally very excited to be traveling to World of EUC Amplify next month, not only to meet people I already know and to build those relationships, but to meet new people and people that I only know through platforms such as LinkedIn, not in person. I think what you've created at World of EUC is massively important. We've already touched on the problems that have been caused with changes in EUC over recent years, but there's another side to it, and it's people. And people are the crux of everything, whether that's an organization, an end user organization, or whether it's a vendor. And so it's really important that you have this close-knit independent community where people can talk and collaborate. And let's not forget, these changes have had a knock onto people's careers, whether that's afforded them opportunities to move elsewhere, or whether it's unfortunately led to them having to look down a new career path. So being able to speak to people about these things is great, and thank you to the World of EUC team for helping to create this platform. Tendig is extremely excited to be sponsoring EUC Amplify next month. I think one of the biggest things we're looking forward to is being able to show end user organizations how we can solve the issues that they're facing. So some huge ones that we assist with at the minute are Windows 10 to 11 migrations, PC OVP end of life, people migrating from one platform to another due to changes in the industry, and also people looking to move to a new secure Linux OS due to recent changes in the industry as well. So Tendig is firmly a thin and zero client hardware vendor, but we're also so much more than that. So we've spent 21 years creating thin and zero client solutions dedicated for VDI, DAS and web apps. On the hardware front, we provide traditional standalone thin and zero clients, mobile laptop thin and zero clients, and all-in-ones as well. Where we really come into our own, and we're very unique, is that we also provide a secure Linux OS that operates both on Tendig native hardware, but also on third-party Windows assets such as PCs, laptops, and third-party thin clients. These are both underpinned by the 100% free Tendig management console that is feature-rich, limited user license, and comes as either a Linux or a Windows appliance. So what this enables an organization to do is have a single vendor endpoint experience that is modernized, flexible, and secure, and you're covered from one vendor from both the hardware to the software to the management as well. And this is really important. You don't want to be getting messed up with too many vendors. You want one number to call to help you and to solve issues you might be having, and solve them quickly and reliably with certified local technicians. So that's Tendig in a nutshell. We'd love to talk more with you about it at World of EUC Amplify. You can actually get our secure Linux OS repurpose at our stand at the show. We will also be allowing you to be able to book in your physical Tendig hardware demos to be shipped direct to you. We'll obviously do that after the show. We've got some fun things going on. We'll have a prize draw. I think from seeing some of the other videos, we might be up against Liquidware for a Lego prize. We'll have to see how we challenge Jason Smith on that one. We also will be giving away some cool Tendig American footballs. And yeah, promises to be a great show, and we're really looking forward to it. If if you're sat on the fence wondering whether to come to World of EUC Amplify, I don't think anyone has answered this better than Patrick Coble so far. Whatever your job role is, if you're sat there on a day-to-day basis, tapping away at Outlook, on Teams calls, visiting customer sites or stuck in a server room, it's very unlikely you'll unearth new vendors, new solutions that solve problems that you and your customers have. I think he described it as being a Lego brick. If you've got a Lego build with a hole and you've been looking for that Lego piece, these events often give you that Lego piece to plug that gap and to solve your issue. So if you have space in the calendar, if your organization is willing for you to travel, I think it's a very, very important thing for you to do, to come and meet people face to face. And not only will you gain knowledge, you can share knowledge. And that is a great thing about community. It's a give and take thing of, well, I'm now going to learn something, but I'm also going to tell people how we're doing things and they may learn something from me. So we hope to see you there. There's a QR code link down there to register for World of EUC Amplify. And yeah, hopefully we get to see you there. And I appreciate your time today. Thank you.